Hey my beauty family, this is Valya. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you this look I'm wearing. It is a very nice, totally purple, soft glam look. So nice, beautiful purple colors, all purple look, which I think is very nice, very beautiful, very summery. All of you can do it. So if you want to know how I did that look, let's get right immediately in this video to show you how I created it. I have prepared my brows with my Brow Ultra Slim by Maybelline New York in the shade medium brown defining pencil with this. I have told you, I have speak to you many times for that brow pencil, which is very thin and helps me to define my brows very precisely, and the other side is full. Then I have cleaned up my underbrow area with my Wet n Wild flat brush concealer and my Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 20, and now I'm ready to move on to prepare my lid. I'm gonna use my Fit Me Maybelline and this fluffy big brush. After I have cleaned up my lid area with my concealer, for today I'll be using my Revolution Reloaded Visionary palette, which is this, a very nice palette with all purple colors. For today my look is gonna be totally purple. And I'm gonna take my fluffy brush by Eyebrow 104 and this color and this together, these two colors together to do my crease. Apply it back and forward from the inner corner always to the outer corner. Very nice colors, they are soft purple. And some of that on the outer corner I put it under my brow bone upwards, under my brow bone. Then I'm going to continue with this, which is a deeper purple. I'm going to continue with that color. And I put it a little on the outer corner. Of course I warm it up on the inner corner and under my brow bone, and continue with this, which is another more bright purple. Continue with that on the outer corner. Of course I love purple look. This is gonna be a soft glam but totally purple look. And of course, for the middle of the lid, the inner side, the inner part of my lid, I will use my Cosmo Fan number 110, and this is it, a flat brush, and taking this, which is a very nice shimmery purple. And I will apply that on the inner part of my lid. I really love purple. I think it's a color that suits to almost all of us people. Every skin type you have, every color you have. And of course, with my middle finger taking this, which is an undertone darker shimmery purple, just to connect the outer with the inner corner. And apply a few of that on my middle of the lid to connect the outer side, the darker, with the inner side, which is the lighter and the shimmery, and always connect with your hand. Another shadow, which must be a color, some color between the two of them, the lighter and the darker. Of course, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighting powder, and this is it, and my 103 brush and apply some highlighter under my brow. The same highlighter I will apply thereafter on my inner corner. This is one of my best highlighters. It has a really pink-eyed color. It's gonna hit pan. It's gonna finish, but I will take it again because I like that. What else? I'm gonna continue with my other eye, of course, with the same way, the same shadow, the same color, and talk to you after. Of course, I'm going to continue with my MUA eyeliner. I define soft tip felt liner by MUA Makeup Academy, the classic black liner. In this look, I want to wear it. It must be very, very nice and good. Of course, after that, I'm going to wear, as always, my lashes. For today, we'll wear my Dawn Beauty of America lashes, which are they. I will show you inside how are they. They are 3D, oh no, they are 6D. In the number 13, 6D lashes. Don't know if you can see them, but they are very nice, 6D lashes, and I'm gonna wear them for today. And after the lashes, I'm going to continue with the rest of my face, and for today I'll be using my MUA Pro Base Oil-Free Primer, water-based and silicone-free, which is one of my favorite hydrating primer, because as I have told you, I always trying to use hydrating products. I love them because my skin is combo too dry, so I need very much hydration. And of course, going to continue with my favorite Cyan Liquid Foundation, 030 Golden Tan, and L'Oreal Infallible All Day Luminous and Vitamin C, 22 Double Sun, 32 hours free wear. I'm going to mix these two together. These are similar products, and in the texture and in the color, one undertone difference, and taking my Wet n Wild kabuki brush to apply the product, of course, on my face. And as I have told you many times, continuing with brush and ending with beauty blender. Very important to avoid the wrinkles and to not ruin your face, your skin. Continuing with my classic Fit Me Maybelline the shade 20 concealer, applying it on my inner corner, on my outer corner. This is the right way. 2 lines on my mouth. A simple tip, just like a mini lips, and some dots on the nose. Some products, of course, between my brows, near to the nose, and some product on your chin, of course. And with that, I will apply and my Ultimate Liquid Concealer in the shade Vanilla, which is an undertone lighter, and I will apply it in the same part that I have applied Fit Me Maybelline, just to give some brightness. Always applying different shades, one on your color and one lighter, and taking my beauty blender to apply the product, of course. Of course, taking my Dancing Cream Creamy Bronzer in the shade Honey 03, and I'm gonna take this Kabuki flat brush, and this is my bronzer look, to do my contouring, a creamy bronzer. Sometimes I apply creamy bronzers and creamy products. Sometimes I'm going right immediately to the powder. As I have told you many times, when you use creamy product. The next step is a powdery product. Also, if you want to use a powdery product, only powdery. If you use creamy, you need add powdery product. And some on my jawline, as always, putting all the product down on my neck, and a few on my nose to do some shape. Then taking this brush and my MUA blush, liquid cream blush in the shade Watermelon, a liquid, it's very intense, it's only for summer. I put some on the back of my hand to be more soft and apply some product, of course, on my cheeks with circular motion, quick motion. I try to apply it because it's a little intense and I want to apply it quick and soft, but quick, to apply it gently. This is a very nice product by MUA. This is Watermelon. It's like the watermelon, the color. Very, very summery. Then, just to clean a little the back of my hand from the creamy product. Oh, they get down. No matter. Take a few coffee while I work. Taking my loose eyebrow powder. To do what? And this big brush to set up my under eye. Because the other powders that I have, L'Oreal, it's not good for my under eye. It's gonna be sticky. I want some product more light, more soft for the under eye. Of course, taking my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation and powder, and this is it, to to set my whole face. Over that, I will apply my ageless blusher. This is in the shade 08 by 7 Cool. This is my bronzer, and I will apply it over the cream bronzer with my Eyebrow 11. On my cheeks, of course, on my forehead, just some product, and on my jawline. Over that, I will apply and palm beat ready, Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. What is this? It is, I applied the matte bronzer and now I'm gonna apply a shimmery bronzer to give the sun touch, this shimmery color that all women love and need. We want this sun touch. Of course, applying also with my Eyebrow 11, my Scanlon Highlighter Professional Make You Different. This is a very nice 03 Scanlon, very nice with highlight blush, which is in a red strawberry color. I really like that, very, very good. And a little on my nose, Ending up with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, Blossom Glow, and my Eyebrow 105. To apply my cheek, this is my highlighting powder. On my cheeks, on my temples, of course, on my Cupid's bow. And ending up, of course, now with my under eye. I have to put all the shades I put on my lip, on my under eye, and taking my Eyebrow 03. Going to apply my highlighting powder by Wet n Wild on the inner corner, the same that I applied there, as I have told you. I applied it on the inner corner, of course. Continuing with my Letitia Well black liner on my waterline. In this look you can apply also a purple color or a burgundy color, not other color. And continuing with my Maybelline the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara, which I like this also Curl Bounce brush, very nice, to apply on my upper lashes and on my bottom lashes. I will apply my Maybelline the Colossal 100% black mascara. Always black. Always black. And of course ending up with my lips. I will use my Gritty Makeup Smooth Silky Lip Pencil Waterproof in the shade 23, which is a classic purple color, as you see from the bottle. And of course continuing with my matte 16 cosmetics in the shade 573 Red Violet, and this is, look what a purple color. Look what a nice purple color. And of course ending up with my Fiore Vita Makeup Fixing Spray from that distance to make our makeup last during all the day. So my friends, this is for today my recommendation for you. This is a total purple soft glam look. It is very easy for you to do it. Really, I want you to try it. Revolution, I recommend you, is a very nice brand, very affordable. You can find many variety of colors and you can do many looks. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned to see the upcoming videos. Love you, my friends!